Oh man, I don't know that it's gonna count that third one. Oh, it did, it did.
There's no reason for it not to. I've been screwed before though. I kind of overdid it. Not by a lot though.
Saturday night, like at 11 o'clock at night. It doesn't close until midnight here. I wanted to play Willy Wonka, but they only got 2 people. And there's 2 people on it that don't look like they're going anywhere, so I have to come back tomorrow. You're on fire.
I am.
Now it's like 500 seconds. But you're on fire.
I am
That's
on
all
fire.
that matters. Alright, we're back at Willy Wonka. Back at Arcade City. I'm gonna see if I can get them on these cards on the right real quick. They look like they're ready to roll. Robert's playing Tailgate Talk. You already got one bonus. Let's see if we can get one more. 25 shots. Oh man, it's still moving definitely on the right. See, it's just not going all the way down to the right. Maybe I'll focus on the little in the middle for. Oh, it did it again. That's why they weren't doing anything, because it was broken. Hey, excuse me. Oh, and it got stuck again. Oh, damn it. Gosh darn it.
I'll wait. You go get the guy.
Okay. All right. Let's try it again. This machine. I guess it's played too much. It's being funky.
The bags all way different weights there too. That's what's a little weird about it.
They might be like replacement bags, and they're not.
They're just lighter. You can. Oh my God! That is take all the dolls in it.
Oh yeah, sorry, they moved. I just wasn't for sure if that was gonna move right there, but they're moving a little. We're definitely gonna get Willy Wonka. Here comes a card. There we go. We got 2 cards.
We got more. Hot in here, ain't it?
It's a little warm in here. I wasn't expecting this to be open till midnight because last place we went to, I got all of them. Where was it? Branson. I think Branson's closes at like. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. I think I want to do in the middle right here. Branson's closes like at 10, and so we were expecting to come back, and then I asked my phone. Oh my God! I asked my phone, and it said midnight, and I'm like, okay. So Pigeon Forge stays up later than Branson.
It is.
Because I'm pretty sure Branson closes at 10.
Yeah, they get a lot more tourists here.
Oh, we're gonna get Veruca salt. All right. Let's see if yeah, get Arthur to get off the top row. All right, got him off. What do you think? To the right or the left of the V? What do you think I should do? To the right of the V? Like right there?
Yeah, get that way. Yeah, there you
Oompa Loompa.
go. Do what?
It's an Oompa Loompa.
What's an Oompa Loompa?
The card that just fell.
Oh,
What's wrong?
I'm looking for my card.
I took the card.
Oh, okay.
I know, we don't want to lose it after we've got us 3,000 tickets.
I gotta wait for all the days to have it.
Would like to throw any final money on your card, that would be the time to do it. As long as you have money on your card, I wouldn't have you at
I don't get it. Only 11:11.
You need more money.
I don't buy it.
He's saying it's last call to put money on your card.
Doesn't even make sense.
I don't either. I guess he doesn't want anyone to do it at like 11:55.
Yeah, that moves people out.
Yeah.
That same gal keeps going back there. And it's just, I don't know why she doesn't just play the damn game. She wants to play everything for free, and it's like she was throwing the beanbag before without scanning it. And it's like you have to just scan it.
Yeah.
She's it's so easy. Nope. People stand back and watch and they're like, this is so easy. Yeah. So simple.
I'm gonna go try to get Willy. I don't need. Yeah, I'm gonna try to slide down for a little bit.
Very strange. Then you have to throw the beanbag.
Oh, that moved him a little bit. I'm trying to get Willy Wonka to move. I don't think I have Willy Wonka.
There you go.
Did he move?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah. He's sliding the right
Probably
way.
it's the Lotus and the other girl.
Oh, this should. Oh man.
They're moving. Augustus, is that who that is?
Which one are we looking? Yeah,
To
that's
the right.
Augustus. I didn't realize that was the one that was hidden. Here comes the card.
Welcome to my shop.
Oh.
Grandpa.
Lucky you.
I that should be a good one. Oh, yep, I got it. Alright, here's your grandpa. Alright, Willy Wonka.
I'm gonna give it one more try whenever you're done.
I'd like to buy a chocolate, please.
I'm gonna hang out there.
I'd like to buy a chocolate, please. I'd like to buy a chocolate, please. I'd like to buy a chocolate, please. I'd like to buy a chocolate, please.
Very suspicious.
I'd like to buy a chocolate, please.
Oh, you got stuff? Yeah.
I'm gonna hang out there.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on. Did she play it all? She just scanned it and acted like she was playing? That's very weird. Let's see. Can we get TV to fall over?
That's what she did with the beanbag game too.
So that's so weird.
Like she's looking for free stuff.
Yeah, I agree. Oh, he moved a little. Alright, we'll be able to get him too. Oh, no, that did not move him at all.
Did you get a golden ticket?
No, I have not got a golden ticket.
That's kind of weird, isn't it? I would have thought as much as you played, you might have seen something, you know?
I actually haven't played them because I'm going
Alright.
slow. It's only my second round. Not as much as we played SpongeBob earlier, you know what I'm saying? Oh, alright, good. I got TV. And then... We'll just have to remember to come tomorrow night before 11 to look if he's doing last call, make sure we got plenty on our card.
I don't understand. I guess that gets people out there.
Yeah, I think he thinks people will hang around too long. We're gonna spin what we have and go because I want to get up in the
What a
morning.
great show.
But tomorrow we'll probably play more. It's just I played a lot of coin here today, so I don't really want to play tons
I can't
tonight.
let this game beat me. It's gotten under my skin. I'm just not playing like I should be able to play. I don't like that feeling. And I don't know if it has something to do with my shoulder being messed up. Or
Yeah.
what. I'm not playing like I normally throw. Trying to go over there when there's nobody like on either side, and you just can't do it. That game is such a high volume game to bounce that ball game.
Yeah.
Nobody plays it in St. Louis. But here, it's the game. Anytime.
Come on.
It's just give it a little time. Don't waste your coins. It
When do I
might
get my
bounce on its
trophy?
own. Let gravity be your friend. You know what I'm saying? It keeps going down a little bit. A little more. Throw a coin.
You want me to throw a
And
coin?
throw one coin. There we go.
There we go.
Hot dog.
Alright. Alright. So we actually look at all these cards we got.